Hello all and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chandramani Pandey and thank you very much for watching my other videos.
This is the second video in the series where we are talking about how to add or remove devices or users from group in bulk using PowerShell script. In the last video, I showed you how to add device in bulk using PowerShell script. In today's video, I will be focusing on how to remove device in bulk using PowerShell. Before we dive in, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any further videos. According to the YouTube analytics, a large number of viewers watch my videos without subscribing. So if you find this helpful, show your support by subscribing. It really encourages me to keep creating more time saving automation content like this for you.
Now I'm on my client machine and let's see how we can remove the device in bulk using PowerShell script. So to do this, we have to download the PowerShell script and I already downloaded the PowerShell script and that is in my download folder and I will provide the link in the description section. So let me open the PowerShell ISC as an administrator and also let me load the PowerShell script. And within the script, we just need to update the user input section where we have to provide the target group name from where you want to remove the devices. And you have to provide the device list.txt file path in which you have the device for the removal. So let me update this input. If you remember in the last video, we created a group called demo bulk add devices, and if you check the members we can see that we have 25 members in this group and all are direct members. So let's go to the script and update the group name, and then we have to update the device list path. So we have to create a text file. Let me go to the C drive and go to the temp folder. You can use the same text file or you can modify it. So let me rename this called remove bulk demo bulk remove devices, and within that we have to provide the device name. So I already have the CSV file with all the devices. Let's see if we want to remove only these top 5 or 6 devices. So let me paste it and click on save, and then we have to copy this file path, copy as path, and then go to the script, and then you have to just update the path and click on save, and then select the entire script and click on run. And now let me log in with Intune admin rights. So we don't have the rights to use the PowerShell command line tool. So we have to request for the permission. So let me do just permission request. Click on request approval. We have to log in the Entra portal using Entra or global credential. So let me log in with Entra credential. And this time I'm going to log in with Entra admin. So if you are getting this approval request, then you have to contact to your global administrator or Entra administrator, and then they will approve your request because they have the rights to approve it. So what they have to do, they have to go to the enterprise application, and then within that they have to go to the admin consent request, and then they have to find this request in the pending section, and then they have to review and consent. They can allow or deny also. Now log in with the right permission to grant the consent, and then click on accept. Now we have provided the necessary permission to the user to run Microsoft Graph command line tool, and we can also see that we have the approval saying that access request approved. And now let's go to the PowerShell script again. PowerShell as an administrator, and then select the entire script and click on run. And now we have to provide the authentication. I'm logging with the Intune admin rights. And we can see that script is not able to find these two devices. And in last, we can see that total device process 9, out of which 9 device removed successfully and 2 device not found. And we have the text file also, where we can see 7 device which we removed successfully and 2 device which is not removed. We can go and see that this text file removed devices, and we can see the name of the devices, and the non-found devices. We can see that these 2 devices. And now if you go to the Intune portal and go to the membership and refresh the member, now we can see that member is reduced from 25 to 18. It means that devices are now removed from this group. Now let's take the another scenario where you want to remove all the devices, and we know that some of the devices are already removed. So let me again update the script and click on save, close this, and now let's run this script again. And again provide the Intune admin credential. And now we can see that they failed to remove because device not found in this particular group. We know that this device is already removed from the group, and now started removing the devices. And now we can see that in last we have a summary. Total device process 31, out of which 18 removed, device not found 13, because these devices are already removed. And we can go to the text file also and see this information, not found devices. We can see that these devices are not found in this particular group, so that is not able to remove it. And device removed successfully, we can see that these devices removed successfully. So that's all I want to show you with this video, how you can remove the device in bulk using PowerShell script.
I hope this is an informative video for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.